So the first thing that we'll do is we're going to find out how our cinchers cinch together. So we're going to take our camera and we're going to take the cover and we're just going to slide it on. And then we're going to cinch it together in the back. And then we're going to take this cover, bring it over, put on the mic or the viewfinder sleeve. That kind of locks everything in for you. You have your mic cover over here. This is for your speaker. We're going to take that, we'll slide that on. And then everything falls into place. So we should be able to Velcro this. So we'll go back into the front. And we will Velcro the collar. Go to the back. And we can Velcro the back flap to the sides. Then we're going to come to the front. See our mic cover is here. We'll just Velcro that. And you can tighten it up. Whatever. So everything is in place. We have our screen, our vinyl screen cover. So that'll just Velcro that into place. Then what we do is we have some Velcro. We just Velcro all of that. And then you can take your screen cover when not in use and just Velcro to this. And when it is in use, you can just bring it forward. And this here, as you know, is access to your handle. And you can just cinch everything up.